The MSI Ventus 2X is one of the most affordable RTX 4070 Ti Super options out there. But is it good enough for your gaming PC build? Or will you regret this purchase? Let's find out. The card is fairly compact and light, and the design is easy on the eyes. There are no RGB LEDs anywhere to be found. The shroud is plastic, and the backplate is plastic as well, but that is to be expected from the cheapest version in the lineup. The card is 243 mm long, that's 9.5 inches, and it takes up 2.5 slots. Power is delivered via a single 16-pin power connector. MSI recommends you pair this graphics card with at least a 700 watt power supply. For display connectivity, we get 3 display ports 1.4a and 1 HDMI 2.1. Two 95mm fans in combination with 5 heat pipes keep this graphics card cool. Memory is cooled by this same heat plate. You can actually see the thermal pad right there, connecting memory chips to the heatsink. And here's what it looks like as part of the PC build. Quite nice, I must say. This is my Be Quiet Ryzen PC build. Very nice. By the way, if you're interested in any of the products featured in this video, you can get them on Amazon at the links in the description below. Thermal performance inside of a mid-tower PC case is adequate. Here I have 3 intake fans and 1 exhaust fan. And our GPU is at 67 degrees. The GPU hotspot is at 80 to 81 degrees and VRAM hotspot is at 80 degrees. The GPU power is currently at 240 to 245 watts in this particular game. However, I have seen it drop as low as 200 watts, so that heavily depends on the game and settings you are using. But typically it stays between 230 to 245 watts. The GPU core boosts to 2775 MHz. Looking at that GPU fan speed, you'd think that this GPU is very loud because it is over 2000 RPM. Yeah, that is a lot. Surprisingly, that is not the case at all. It is pretty quiet for what it is. I cannot hear it over the subtle noise my case fans are making. Allow me to give you a little taste of that noise. Yep, there's literally nothing to complain about there. This GPU is a great solution for playing the latest games at 1440p, ultrawide 1440p and 4K resolutions. However, beware that you will need to use DLSS resolution upscaling to achieve 60+ FPS in the most graphically demanding games, such as Alan Wake 2 or Hellblade 2, even on a 1440p monitor when using the highest graphics settings. You can experience the 4070 Ti Super at all these resolutions in dedicated videos available on my channel. I'll link them in the description below for your convenience. Overall, I like the MSI Ventus 2X RTX 4070 Ti Super card. Despite the fact that it's one of the cheapest models in the lineup, it is still good enough and gets the job done while not having any annoying features. It is simply a good choice for an average user who doesn't mind a little bit of noise every now and then, or if you're using headphones, then you will not be worried about it at all. However, if you are looking to build a completely silent PC, then I would recommend going for a more expensive model. The MSI Ventus 2X gets my recommendation. Just pair it with a Ryzen 7 7800X3D and you'll be good to go. If you're interested in any of the products featured in this video, you can get them on Amazon at the links in the description below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below what do you think about this graphics card, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.